Observe these pictures. What makes these pictures attractive? The pictures look more attractive because they are rich in color. Do you know colors can be classified accordingly?
At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify primary and secondary colors. Explain how addition of primary colors produces secondary colors.
Objects appear to be in a certain color because they absorb certain colors of the light spectrum and reflect some other colors. Colors can be classified as primary and secondary colors. Primary colors are colors that cannot be created by mixing other colors. The primary colors are red, green, and blue. Observe the animation above. When we add two primary colors together, they form a new color. These newly formed colors are known as secondary colors. Can you name these colors? They are yellow, magenta, and cyan. What will happen when we add all the three primary colors? Combination of all three colors will produce white color. Mixing of light of different colors to form a new color is called the addition of colors.
Secondary colors of lights are formed when two primary colors are combined with equal intensities. Red and blue lights will produce magenta. Red and green light will form yellow. Green and blue light will produce cyan. Magenta, yellow, and cyan are secondary colors. The addition of two primary light colors will produce secondary colors. Drag and drop any two of the primary colors at the light boxes. Click at the check button to observe the color produced.
Drag and drop the words primary or secondary into the empty box provided. Click the check button to check your answer.
Your answer is correct.
Click on the correct answer.
One of the primary color is A. Red, B. Yellow, C. Cyan, D. White.
Your answer is correct.
Which of the following is a secondary color? A. Red, B. Blue, C. Yellow, D. Green.
Your answer is correct.
In order to produce cyan color, which combination of light color should we use?
A. Blue plus white, B. Blue plus red, C. Red plus green, D. Green plus blue.
Your answer is correct.
Which of the following color will be produced when three primary colors are added? A. Cyan, B. White, C. Red, D. Magenta.
Your answer is correct.
Which of these color combinations is not correct? A. Mixing red light and green light produces yellow light. B. Mixing red light and green light produces magenta light. C. Mixing green light and blue light produces cyan light. D. Mixing red light and blue light produces magenta light.
Your answer is correct.
In this lesson, we learnt that red, green and blue are primary colors. These colors cannot be produced by mixing lights of other colors. The colors obtained by adding any two of the primary colors are known as secondary colors. Yellow, cyan and magenta are secondary colors. Combining all three primary colors produces white light.
Primary colors are colors that cannot be created by mixing other colors.
Red, blue and green are primary colors. The colors that are produced by mixing two primary colors are called secondary colors. Red and blue forms magenta. Red and green forms yellow. Blue and green forms cyan. Traditionally, colors are represented on a wheel of 12 colors, 3 primary colors, 3 secondary colors created by mixing primary colors, and 6 tertiary colors created by mixing the primary and secondary colors. artists use a traditional color wheel based on the RYB model, red, yellow, blue, with secondary colors of orange, green, and purple. For all computer-based colors, a wheel based on the RGB model is used. This encompasses the CMY model as well, since cyan, magenta, and yellow are the secondary colors for red, green, and blue. In the RGB/CMY color wheel, orange is a tertiary color between red and yellow, and purple is a tertiary color between magenta and blue.